Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Shopify Payments for store checkout. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Shopify account. From your Shopify admin, click on Settings located at the bottom left of the page. Next, select Payment Providers from the Settings menu. In the Payment Providers section, locate the Shopify Payments option and click Activate. You will now be prompted to review the terms and conditions. Read through the terms and conditions carefully and check the box to agree. Then, click Continue to proceed with the registration process. You'll need to enter your business details. Fill in your legal business name, address, and phone number. Next, provide your personal details, including your name and date of birth. You'll also need to input your business type, such as individual, partnership, or corporation. After that, enter your bank account information for payouts. Make sure to double-check your bank details for accuracy. Once all the required information is filled in, click Submit. Your application will then be reviewed by Shopify. You will receive a confirmation email once your Shopify Payments account is approved. After approval, you can customize your payment settings. To do this, return to the Payment Providers section and adjust any preferences. Finally, test your checkout process to ensure everything is working smoothly. And that's it. Your Shopify Payments is now set up for store checkout. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.